Want to delete a YouTube playlist that you no longer need using the YouTube app? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to delete a YouTube playlist, you will need to open the YouTube app on your mobile phone and make sure you are signed in. Tap on the Library tab, which is located in the bottom right corner of the app, to see your content. Now, you should find the Playlists section and tap on View All to see all your curated lists. Find the specific playlist that you want to delete. On the right of the playlist title, tap the three-dot menu icon. Select the Delete option from the menu. YouTube will then ask you to confirm that you really want to permanently delete the playlist, so tap Delete again. And that's how you can delete a YouTube playlist on the YouTube app. A simple process for removing collections you no longer want to keep. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.